Blessings, family. Welcome back to the page. It's Stewy Official, your brother, your friend, and the voice reminding you that you're stronger than you think. Today, we're diving into something real, something a lot of people are dealing with right now, starting over, starting fresh, starting from scratch, starting from a place you never planned to be. Whether it's a new city, a new job, a new relationship, or a new version of yourself, starting over can shake your whole world. But hear me, just because your life hit reset doesn't mean you failed. Sometimes God lets things fall apart so you can finally build something real. Let's talk about it. You ever notice that life doesn't always ask permission before it changes? One day you're comfortable, everything feels familiar, you know your routine, and then suddenly, boom, everything shifts. Maybe it's a breakup, maybe it's a job loss, maybe it's life tapping you on the shoulder saying, this chapter is done. Starting over hurts because we're human. We get attached to people, to places, to identities, even to the version of ourselves we know deep down we've outgrown. But sometimes God has to separate you from your comfort in order to reconnect you to your calling. Starting over isn't punishment, it's positioning. And trust me, I know what starting over feels like. I'm a Jamaican man who came to Canada and had to rebuild everything. New culture, new climate, new mindset, new responsibilities. And it wasn't just the physical places, it was the mental shifts too. The emotional resets. The moments where I had to look at myself and say, Stewy, this version of you cannot carry you into your future. So, if you're listening right now and you're in that transition, know this. You're not weak, you're not behind, and you're not lost. You're evolving. Starting over is necessary because growth is necessary. You don't become who you're meant to be by staying in the same place, doing the same things, surrounding yourself with the same people who don't challenge you. You ever go through something and at first you're upset, but later you look back and say, if that didn't happen, I wouldn't even be where I am today. Exactly. Some doors had to close. Some people had to leave. Some environments had to shift. Because if God didn't move you, you would have stayed stuck. Hold on, pause real quick. Family. 60% of the people watching these videos are not subscribed. 60. Why, man? If you're still here, clearly the message is reaching you. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It helps support the channel and pushes the content out to more people who need it. All right, back to the message. When life forces you to start over, there are a few things you need to remember. First, don't rush to the restart. You're not rebuilding, you're becoming. Take your time. Growth doesn't need to be rushed. Slow wins still count. Second, let go of what doesn't fit anymore. Not every friend is meant to travel with you into the next season. Not every habit deserves space in your future, and not every version of you needs to survive the transition. Sometimes you have to release the old identity to make room for the upgraded one. Third, give yourself grace. Starting over isn't easy. Some days you'll feel motivated, other days you'll feel confused. That's normal. Feel the feelings, but don't let them stop you. And finally, invite God into the process. You don't have to walk into a new chapter alone. Ask for clarity, ask for strength, ask for peace. Sometimes the only prayer you need is, God, guide me. Starting over will change you. It will humble you, break you, rebuild you, and open your eyes. You begin to realize you're wiser now, calmer, more selective. You don't accept bare minimum anymore. You don't tolerate the things you used to entertain. And there's something freeing about that. Starting over gives you perspective. It reminds you that you're not defined by what you lost, but by what you're building. If you're listening to me right now and you're in a season of transition, career, relationship, location, mindset, hear me clearly. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from wisdom. Everything you've survived up to this moment is now part of your foundation. And the version of you that's going to come out of this season, that version is going to shock even you. Your story isn't over. It's being rewritten, and this time, you're writing it with intention. Family, thank you for spending this time with me today. If this message touched you, encouraged you, or reminded you of your strength, take a moment, breathe, and believe that something better is ahead. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Like the video, share it with someone who needs this message, and stay connected. Until next time, walk good, stay focused, stay grounded, and remember, every ending is just the beginning of something greater. Blessings.